Revlon, this is gonna bang. Absolutely not. Oh my gosh. It turned my hair orange. So I got myself a Malaysian body wave frontal 360. It was 18 inches and 3 bundles, which were 18, 20, 20. And I wore the hair from November 11th till mid-Jan. 360 frontal with 3 bundles. Cause I like my hair thick. Like, I don't care about the weight. Break my neck, bitch. As long as my hair is full, I'm okay. West Kiss hair has a reputation for being good quality. So in my mind, it's like, you know what? If I get sewin, it's not allowed to tangle. So that's why I got West Kiss hair, and it did not disappoint. But yeah, if I had to buy hair again, it would definitely be from West Kiss because it doesn't tangle, it barely sheds, and oh, it bleaches well. Like, I don't know if it bleaches well. I don't know. Like, it bleaches. I don't know what well is. I'm not experienced in bleaching, but it bleached. No, I bleached it twice, and then I dyed it. And that dye was horrendous. I thought, oh, Revlon, this is gonna bang. Absolutely not. Oh my gosh. It turned my hair orange. Oh, whatever, innit? Revlon hair dye, box dye, love it. That was horrendous. I know you're supposed to do a whole process of, oh yeah, you're supposed to do it this day and then wait like 7 days to make sure your hair doesn't fall out. I'm so sorry. I don't have time. I was going out the next day. I need to do it there and then. So when it comes to bleaching, even though it did, like during the process when I did feel it, like while it was wet, it felt like straw because it's damaged now, right? To recover it, you have to buy this. Is it focused? Yeah. Silicone mix will save your hair. I swear down. This will make your hair feel like it's never seen a day of work in its life. This bang with synthetic hair. That's why I bought it, because the girl that was using it, she used it on synthetic hair. Her wigs look like tumbleweeds. No offense to her. Yeah, they look bomb now because she used this silicone mix. I got it from eBay. I don't know if you guys know what eBay is. Depends on where you are, but I got it from eBay. And when I got it, the woman put, you know when you order from small businesses and they put the little thanks for buying from us or whatever, and then she gave me a free, like, what was it, lip liner. She gave me a lip liner. It's red. I don't have red lipstick. Never have. Never. I maybe in the future, but I'm not a red type of babe, innit? But she gave me that for free and a little note saying thanks for buying from us. I was thinking, alright, like, you know what? No worries. No, you're welcome. If it wasn't for this, it would be straw. It would be straw. Facts. If you get nothing else from this video, get this silicone mix. This thing will save any wig that you have. Even, I feel like it would be banging on your natural hair. I feel like it, because in my mind it's like, if it works on synthetic, if it works on human hair, then why wouldn't it work on my scalp? I'll use it one day. I even read the instructions. It says, wash hair, towel dry, apply with massage, leave on for 2 to 3 minutes, depending on the condition of the hair, rinse. If your hair is dry and ashy, maybe leave it on for more than 2 to 3 minutes, maybe 10. I would recommend 10. I'm more of a 10 babe, you know what I mean? Hair wise, I would get West Kiss hair again, so I do recommend it. I've had many other hairs from AliExpress. West Kiss hair isn't from AliExpress. You actually have to go to the website, buy it. But you know when it's like, okay, it's more expensive, but at least you know it's gonna last. When you buy hair from AliExpress, why are you going through 25 reviews, picture reviews, of course, and you know sometimes those reviews are fake. You know them reviews where they put Beyonce didn't buy your fucking hair, bro. Don't lie. We can say it. We can say Beyonce is not wearing your hair. Don't lie to yourself. She's too much of an expensive. She's not buying from AliExpress. Don't believe it. I've only had one other sewing in my life, and when I tell you, the back of the neck, yeah, it was a battle, and it was a battle I did not win. Like, you guys, you know when people are like, oh yeah, I was fighting with the hair, but at least it looks nice, isn't it? Because you won the battle. You won the battle. When my hair was doing up stiff, it was stiff in the neck. That means, you know when you turn, let's say you have a ponytail, yeah? Let's say you have a ponytail like this, and then you turn your head like this. The hair will also defy gravity. Huh? That's how much I was losing the battle. That's how bad it was. But this, up, down, the hair is moving with me. Okay, so I have to end this video now because my African mother has started a phone call. So obviously they only communicate by yelling, and you're obviously gonna eventually hear that. But yeah, bye.